Hi everyone. A lot of questions are coming to me from students on my YouTube channel that they have a good introduction, they have body, they have conclusion, they have a format or a structure to their answers, but still they are not sure if their answers are good. Well, let me tell you one thing. What really matters in answer writing is the content of your answer. The format or the structure is not really that important. It is important because it makes your answer presentable. So your answer should definitely be presentable. But that is not the driving factor when it comes to the marks. What is the driving factor when it comes to the marks is actually how well you have articulated what the question have asked. So if the question has asked a certain point about factual information about role of the CAG, Comptroller Auditor General of India, then that is what you have to write. It will not matter whether you have an introduction or a conclusion. If you are addressing the points that the question is asking you, if you are covering different portions of the question that the question is asking you, if your points are relevant to what the question has asked you and not irrelevant, if they are answering the particular analysis that the question is expecting from you, then you will be able to get good marks in the question. At the end of the day, it is not about the format, it is about the content itself. So a lot of times we miss out on writing the relevant content, relevant points, and instead we get lost on focusing too much about, oh, I have to provide an introduction, oh, I have to provide a conclusion, I have to provide some sort of a way forward or solution. You don't have to have pros and cons in every question. You don't have to have two sides in every question. You don't have to have a way forward in every question. Every question is different. Obviously there are types of questions and you can address them similarly, but overall every question, when you're answering it, focus on the content, focus on what the question has asked you instead of just mindlessly applying a certain format or structure.